He worked upstairs in courtroom 2 and had the same duties as a judge. For 8 years, William Greenaway was trusted to uphold the law as a Superior Court magistrate. Tonight, he's off the bench and on the other side of it after a 4-month state police investigation ended in a parking lot drug bust. It happened in front of Goodwill.
Why would he come here to buy his meth?
Authorities say 50-year-old Greenaway was recorded at a different location, paying their undercover informant $140 for 2.5 grams of meth. They met in the parking lot where she handed over the drugs in his car. Investigators say he shoved them in his mouth when cops closed in and then tried to deny buying meth and claimed he was being set up. The undercover informant claimed she watched Greenaway obtaining and using meth multiple times and used the code word coffee when talking about the drug. Goodwill doesn't have security footage of the arrest. At least one employee witnessed it, but none of the shoppers we talked to.
Yeah, it's very surprising. It's generally a safe area and, not a lot happens.
It's a somewhat upper scale community from what I understand.
We went to Greenaway's home about half a mile away. The light was on, but nobody came to the door. There were lighters and a burned metal spoon on the front porch. Officials had no mugshot to share tonight or information about where else Greenaway may have been buying meth.
I'm sure that those that seek it can find it. I mean, you can bake it in your oven.
The court issued a statement saying they've taken steps to ensure court proceedings are not impacted by Greenaway's arrest and suspension. A special prosecutor will be appointed to avoid any conflict of interest.
So, Julia, before we let you go, what are folks at the courthouse telling you?
Well, I did talk to one man, Phil, who has worked with Greenaway for more than a decade now. He wasn't exactly shocked. He indicated it may have been part of an ongoing issue, and he mentioned that Greenaway was under a lot of pressure with work and his divorce.
All right, surprising stuff, Julia. Thank you very much.